Hey, all right, everybody. Look, I've got another box. Right, okay, so what's inside this box today? Well, on the box it says, I think it's AsperX. I think that's the way you say it. It's the AXP200 power bank. It looks pretty big. It looks like it's got a pull-up light on top as well. So let's get it out of the box and have a look what it's like. Right, okay, so here it is, and it says on there, 60,000 milliamps, AXP200. Let's turn it around that side there. 140 watts max, 20 to 60 volts. It says bidirectional fast charging. Let's have a look at the back there. So it's got some stuff on the back there. Let's go to the side, and it says a few things on the side there. So what does it say? It says over voltage protection, cell over voltage protection, short circuit protection. It's got loads of protection things on the side there. There's a few more specs down the bottom there, look. What does it say at the bottom there? Battery capacity, 12.8 volts, 15 amp hours, 192 watt hours. So there we go. So let's get it out of the box. Let's take it out and have a good look at this actual unit by here. And we'll see what it can do, because there's quite a few things on the front there as well. Right, okay, got the box on the sides. Hopefully, I should be able to pull this out of here. Hopefully, like so, like that. So that's the top bit of sponge there. And I can see the actual unit by here. So there it is. Let's get it out of the box. There we go. That does feel nice and weighty. Looks well made. So let's have a bit of a closer look. Oh, and also in the box is the instruction manual. Anything else in there? I can't see anything else in the box, so unless it's something I can't see anything else. So that's all that's in the box. Okay, so just having a quick look at this, and if you pull this thing up by here like that, and then pull it again like that, it pops up like that. Okay, so I'll turn this on like that. Now we'll have to see how bright this is in the night time. So I've just turned it on. I haven't pulled this thing off here yet. We'll do that in a second. But if I press this button here, we've got the light turns on, and then if you press it again, it goes even brighter. It's quite bright. It's hurting my eyes, but I don't know what it'll be like in the dark. So we'll try that later on. And then if I press it again, I'm going to look away because it's not very nice when you press this. So it starts flashing like that. Okay, press it again like that, and it's flashing even more. I'm trying to look away because it hurts my eyes. And then I press one more time, and it goes off again. And then you can pop it down like that, back in like that. Isn't that nice? It has got a carry handle, and there was something else inside the box. There was a USB-C to USB-C cable. It does look quite nice. It's braided. So anyway, I think I'll charge this up first of all, and then we'll get back to this and see what we can do with all the other bits and bobs by here. Right, okay, so I have plugged it into charge. Let me just take this off here, if I can get my finger on there like that. Bit difficult, but there we go. I'll try my best now. Got all of it. Let's take that off there. Now, it's plugged in, as you can see, and it's charging. And it is giving you sort of a visible sort of screen here where you can see it's actually charging. It was on 57% when it came out of the box. It's now on 58%. So there we go. That's what it looks like when it's charging. Right, okay, here I am out in the dark. You probably can't see me because it's dark. So we'll put this on now. I got to try and lift this up now with one hand and try and film it at the same time, which is quite difficult. So wait a second. Right, let's press this button like that. Now, cool. It's pretty bright. I'll put it down by there. So that's the lower setting. It's not like shining a massive light away from you. It's all sort of very close to you, if you can see that there. And then we'll put it on double power like that. There we go. I'll try and show you how it's lighting up that fence there, look, like that. That's the light there. It is bright. There's the fence and the shed there like that, look. So I hope that gives you an idea of how bright that light is. You will be able to see where you're going you'll definitely be able to see where you're going. I'll walk up this way like this. You should, if I try and bring that over there like that, you can see where you're going. But when you're holding it, it does sort of shine in your eyes a little bit, if you know what I mean. Anyway, that's the light. Now, I have noticed there on the screen, look, I've got the light on just to show you. That's on full power. It does say there, might not be in focus very well, 52 hours and 22 minutes. That'll fluctuate slightly, but that's telling you how long the light will stay on for. 52 hours and 22 minutes. Well, 51 hours and 42 minutes now. There, I pop back up again. But there we go. It does give you sort of a running total over there. Right, okay, hopefully you can see. It might be a little bit dark, but I've got 4 USB leads plugged in here. So let's turn that on like that. So we'll just test. If there is a 5th one there as well, you can use that one as well. This top one here, I'll try and show a picture. You can charge it from a small solar panel as a DC input. But anyway, let's do this test. So we've got four things to charge at the same time. So the first one I'm going to plug in is this camera over here. So let's plug that in like that. That should start charging. When it starts charging, it should come up on there. There we go. I don't know if you can see that there. A2. And then we'll get another lead like this. And we'll plug that one in over here on there. And we'll charge the drone like that. Then let's get the rest of these leads around here. I will plug in, I don't know if you can see C2 come up on there as well. I'm going to plug in this other camera here like that. That started charging, don't know if you can see on there. And then I'll plug my phone in as well, like that. And that started charging as well. So you can see, look, it's come up there, C1, C2, A1, A2. And then the other 2 numbers will come by here, will correspond to this here. So let me just bring the camera up so you can see a little bit better, because it's in a funny position. But you should be able to see on there, look. Might not be very clear because the camera's not focusing very well, but it says C1 there, C2, A1 and A2 correspond to these here. And everything is charging, and it says the output power is 32 watts. We've still got 98% charge on the battery. This is charging, that is charging, this camera here is charging, and my phone, hopefully, is charging as well. It is, it says up there, it's charging. So, it's pretty good if you want to charge multiple things. Right, okay then, pretty good unit. Now, I will put up on the screen right now, I'll put all the specs up on the screen, but they'll be in a bigger, bolder sort of font, so you can see them a little bit easier. I'll leave them up on the screen. You can pause the screen if you want to have a good look. But there we go. That is the specs. And I think this is a pretty good unit for the price, because it does charge quite a lot of things, and it has got quite a high output power. So there we go then. That's my review of the AsperX power bank. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Ahoy!